Now that you have reviewed your academic requirements, you can use the schedule of classes to assist you in finding specific course offerings to satisfy your outstanding degree requirements. Start by navigating to csulb.edu/schedule. From there, you will see drop-down menus for each term. Click on the term for which you are building your schedule. For example, if it is currently fall semester, you will most likely be planning your spring schedule, so select spring of the appropriate year. Once you've selected the correct term, you will notice that courses are organized into 3 groupings along the top of the page: by subject, by college, and by GE requirement. You can use any of these selections to find courses, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to focus on by GE requirement. Once you click on by GE requirement, you will be given a breakdown of all general education categories. You can click on the corresponding category to see a comprehensive list of all courses that would fulfill that requirement for the term you've selected. Please keep in mind that if you are a freshman, you can only take courses numbered 001 to 299. Courses that are numbered 300 and up are limited to students at junior level standing or higher. For example, a freshman would be able to take English 100, but not English 375. Once you select a category, you can scroll to any course to view the section information for that course. This will display the section number, class number, type of instruction, days and times, location, instructor, and it will distinguish sections that still have open seats, indicated by a green dot. If a course section is full or closed, then a dot will not be present for that section. Please also take note of the comments area of each course section. Comments will indicate if a section is reserved for a specific student group or program, and you will only be able to enroll in that section if you are a part of that student group or program. Keep in mind that this list is updated only once daily, so courses that appear open may no longer be open later in the day. The schedule of classes can be an incredibly useful tool for planning out your schedule and understanding general education.